Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 31st, 2024, featuring the Moon near a bull's horn and Jupiter's satellites. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:09 p.m. For sky watchers with telescopes east of Chicago's longitude, a dance of Europa and Io, Jupiter's moons and their shadows occurs, where the planet is above the local horizon. The Great Red Spot, a long-lived weather disturbance, is near the center of the planet when the first shadow appears. The planet is very dynamic. Its cloud tops are easily visible through a telescope as well as its four largest moons. Every few days the red spot is visible and the planet's rotation can be noted easily across a few hours. Similarly, the four moons' orbital motions are easy to see as they revolve around the planet. When a moon is visible against the planet's clouds, the event is called a transit. Depending on the direction of sunlight, a moon's shadow can be seen on the cloud tops. The shadows and the satellites' transits begin on the eastern edge of the planet and depart from the globe's western edge. Tonight, a double transit occurs with their shadows. Times for the events are listed in the online article. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before daybreak, the crescent moon, 16% illuminated, is 30 degrees above the eastern horizon and 8.3 degrees to Jupiter's lower left. Look carefully for Elnath, also known as Beta Tauri, 2.2 degrees to the moon's lower left. The moon's placement near the point of a bull's horn is a precarious place. The crescent appears skewered by Elnath. The moon is exhibiting earthshine, reflected sunlight that gently lights the lunar night. Jupiter is the brightest star-like body in the sky this morning. It is plodding eastward in front of Taurus, 6.0 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left, the constellation's brightest star. Mars is overtaking Jupiter, 7.1 degrees to the more distant planet's upper right and 5.7 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left. The Jupiter-Mars conjunction occurs August 14th. The red planet is passing the Hyades star cluster. Mars, Aldebaran, and the star cluster appear in the same binocular field of view. Saturn is the third bright planet in the sky this morning. It is less than halfway up in the south-southwest in front of Aquarius. The starfield is faint and can be seen through a binocular. Saturn is retrograding as it approaches opposition on September 7th. Watch it move westward against the stars until early November. In the evening sky, Mercury recedes into bright evening twilight, moving toward inferior conjunction, between Earth and Sun, on August 18th. Then it appears in the eastern pre-dawn sky during September. Venus slowly emerges from bright evening twilight. It is low in the western sky at 30 minutes after nightfall. Use a binocular. Saturn rises less than 2 hours after sundown. An hour later, it is nearly 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. By tomorrow morning it is again in the south-southwest. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.